Hi friends! Let's get one thing clear: you weren't born to blend in. You were born to build empires in heels. You, my friend, are a powerhouse in pink. And today I'm giving you the keys to unlock the entrepreneurial magic that's already inside you. So buckle up your glitter seatbelt, because we're about to go full throttle into the Barbie dream car of business success. You don't need permission to start. You need a vision that makes your heart race. You need courage in your clutch purse and confidence in your walk. Every woman entrepreneur is the architect of her own dream house. The blueprints, your ideas; the bricks, your resilience; and the paint, that sparkle of belief that says, "This world needs what I've got." Don't wait for the perfect moment. Barbie didn't wait for Ken to hand her a business plan. She created it in hot pink highlighters and built her brand from the closet to the corner office. Entrepreneurship is not just about making money. It's about making meaning. You're not selling a product. You're selling purpose. Rejection? That's just glitter that hasn't found its canvas yet. You weren't made to be understood by everyone. You were made to be unforgettable. Your mindset is your foundation. If you build your empire on doubt, it'll crumble. But if you pour concrete made of confidence, nothing, not even the haters, can shake you. Think of your business like your dream closet. Organize it. Color coordinate your strategy. Make it beautiful. Make it yours. Every setback is a fashion emergency, temporary, solvable, and a chance to come back fiercer. Speak like you already won. Walk like the CEO you're becoming. Think like your future self would. The difference between fear and excitement is one glittery breath. Choose excitement. Surround yourself with a squad that lifts you like the perfect pair of Barbie heels, stylish, strong, and supportive. Branding is your sparkle. Strategy is your spine. And service? That's your soul. Blend all three, and baby, you've got a brand that doesn't just shine, it shocks. Learn from failure like Barbie learns choreography with grace, with grit, and always in style. Don't shrink for comfort. Expand for greatness. Your business can be soft and strong, pretty and powerful. Your dream clients, they're already looking for you. Show up so bright they can't miss your light. Say this out loud: I am the CEO of my life, and I am scaling with sparkle. Your website, your content, your voice, there, your runway. Own every step. Marketing isn't manipulation. It's an invitation to the party you were born to host. Money isn't dirty. It's a tool. And you, my friend, are an artist. Systems? They're your dream house elevator. Build them so you don't have to climb every floor by foot. Delegate like Barbie delegates dream tasks. Keep what lights your soul. Pass what drains you. Work-life balance isn't a myth. It's a dance. And you lead it. You don't need to hustle 24/7. You need to align, attract, and act. Invest in your growth like it's a limited edition Barbie convertible, because your future self is waiting to ride in style. Time isn't your enemy. It's your runway. Walk it with intention. Visibility isn't vanity. It's a megaphone for your mission. When you speak, make it echo. When you show up, make it magnetic. Every email, every post, every pitch, it's a piece of your legacy. You're not just starting. You're launching. Like a firework in pink stilettos. Comparison kills creativity. Barbie never worried about the other dolls. She built her own dream world. You don't need a million followers. You need aligned believers. Niche down like you're designing a dream closet. Curated. Chic. Intentional. Fear is a passenger in your dream car. But you drive. Always. If the door won't open, create a neon pink one with glitter hinges and walk right in. Your energy sells more than your offer ever will. So protect it like your favorite shade of lipstick. Take breaks. Recharge. Even Barbie has spa days in her schedule. Celebrate every win. The big ones, the baby ones, the ones only you notice. Launch before you feel ready. Barbie always made a fashion, even on the runway of uncertainty. Don't be afraid to pivot. Dream houses are made of rooms, not cages. Let your business evolve like your wardrobe, fresh, authentic, and always fabulous. You're not too much. You're just more than most are used to. Say yes to opportunities that scare you. That's your glitter calling. Educate yourself relentlessly. Read, listen, ask. Even Barbie studies to stay iconic. Automate the boring. Save your genius for the magic. When you make money, you change your life. When you teach others to make money, you change the world. You're not just building income, you're building impact. Barbie built empires with style. So can you. Don't wait for applause. Clap for yourself. Loud, proud, often. There's nothing more powerful than a woman with vision, volume, and pink lipstick. You've got this. And even more. The world's been waiting for you to rise. Hi friends, this was your roadmap. But it's you who holds the wheel. So put on your crown, press the pedal, and let the whole world see what a woman entrepreneur in Barbie mode can truly do. Let's thrive boldly, beautifully, and unapologetically.